Okay, right, round here are some more bolts. I was actually incorrect, it's 7,500 for the plasma whip. There's also another weapon, I believe it's called the N-something Storm, whatever it's called, it's the N-something Storm. I know it's definitely N-something, N-something something. That's its name, it's a very good name. Yeah, of course, there's some more bolts up here which you'll want to collect because every little helps. As the price, lovely. Now I have enough for the plasma whip if I want it, which I do because it's a great weapon, especially when leveled up. Yeah, weapons can go to level 10, I believe. No, is it level? No, it's level 8. Is it level 8? Is it level 10? I don't remember for some reason. Die. Ooh, you're being tricky, are you? Done. There you go. No problem.
Sir, we have a transmission from the President!
Yay!
How are things on the front lines, soldier? Is that secret agent Clank?
Yes, it is.
Greetings, sir. We are here to help.
Well, this is an honor, and I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No. Hold on a second, sir.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived.
I didn't know that.
I've just received a top secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look.
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of Nature's Mysteries.
I've seen him run right through our camping site. He was buck naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana. It could be.
One of Nature's Mysteries. Legend tells.
Oh, who do you think that
is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived.
No.
Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of Nature's Mysteries. Tune in and find out the answers.
Yeah.
We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Not really.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
Yes, you can, sir. You can definitely count on us, sir. Lovely. What a lovely place. I think this is the time to show you the menu. Now, the missions that you are asked for from Florana and all the other different planets you've been to. So, Florana says find the mysterious man. And, weapons. Has all your weapons, as you can tell, there is a lot. There will be 20 in the game. Gadgets, again, there are a lot. There will be more than 9. There will be 9 in the game. And this is just, you can change your weapon and stuff, which is quite nice. Then there's the items, the different items you can get. There are 10 of them. There's 5 not. Then there's the options, which have I got? Did I? Ooh, what are the subtitles on? No subtitles shall we put on then? Then there's help log, movies and stuff. Then there's the special. There's the cheats, which we don't have any because we have no skill points. We have the skins, which you have a current armor, and if you have titanium bolts, you can trade them in for different skins, which I'll probably end up wearing all at least once. Then there's the skill points, how to get them all and stuff, which is quite nice. Then there's the cinematics, the movies and stuff, and that's pretty much it. Right. Okay, sorry, just stop for a second. Right, if you go in here, you'll see weapons. There's ammo there, and 2 weapons. As much as I like the plasma whip, I want to save up for the N60 Storm. Mainly because I love that a lot more. Whilst the plasma whip is good, the N60 Storm is almost as good.
Your controller can be configured
in fact, it's a lot
with
better,
multiple button maps.
including a map
The one
that
thing I
places
do
the
love
fire
about this game
command
more
on
than
R1.
any other Ratchet game
To
is
change to a
Annihilation
different
Nation.
button map,
I mean, I love
press Start,
the battle
then
arena
enter the
stuff from the
options menu and select
second game,
controls.
but Annihilation Nation just stepped up the bar. The one thing I do miss is the motorbike races, motorbike races. Oh well. This times 2 multiplier for all your bolts. Get these quickly. Get as much as you can. It's times 2 and it's bloody worth it. This is how we're probably, if lucky, gonna get the N60 Storm. We are probably able to get it with this. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff there. I'm imagining we'll have enough. And I'm right, we have enough. And now we're just going to go back to the N60 Storm because it's so worth it. It's just unbelievable how good that is. It's just awesome. So yeah, we can now get the N60 Storm, which is just awesome. I love that weapon. It's great. N60 Storm is mine! Max out ammo, don't have many bolts, but you don't need it, so it's okay. Yeah, if you can afford it, which if you do everything that I've done, you should be able to afford it. Let's show you what it can do. Oh, it just shoots and kills. That's what it does. You can strafe by holding L2 and R2 as well. Or either, whichever one's better. Oh, that was bad. I just got pwned and died. Yeah, if you can help it, use the N60 Storm now to level that up a bit. Because you want to give that some time to get some leveling up, because you want to do some of the weapon as well. You don't want to just upgrade one weapon at a time. You want to upgrade 2 if you can help it. It just doesn't help, but oh well. Die! Thank you! Loving it. I like doing guides. It's more. I'm informal, but I'm also funny. Funny too.
To perform a high jump,
I just did it.
R1 and
Oh no, I
press
didn't.
X.
You can do that, but you don't need to do a high jump because I'm awesome. Now there was only one. I thought a couple of people would come out of it. You can get some bolts in these things. Yeah. There was only one skill point, and it's in the path of death, which is a bit hard, actually. It's no easier than other stuff, so I may have to may have to come back here just to get that skill point. It's fairly challenging. There are 2 titanium bolts and a trophy here in this place. The titanium bolts are really easy to find. The trophy is as easy to find as well. Actually,
I'll
say that. Because the trophy's pretty hard, actually. Never played it before, I suppose. Can you see the trophy? How is it you zoom in? It's not that. That's the map. Maybe we'll show that. This is where you're heading and stuff. It's quite cool. Not that. There it is. Oh, inverted camera. Can you see that shiny thing? That's the trophy. How'd you get it? You figure it out. Oh no, wait, that's my job. Never mind, I'll do it for you then. See, you've almost got enough to buy this already. Ah, nice. I believe it's down here, and I should be right. I'm right. Gold bolt and Mundo. No. Why am I saying gold bolt? It's a titanium bolt. I know this. I know it's a titanium bolt because I've played this so many times. Why do I keep? I don't know why. Sometimes some of the bottoms don't go up, break, and some of them do. I don't really understand why, but they just don't. Oh, I thought it would lock onto it. Never mind. Not something there though. Die. I believe that you fight 2 of these at the same time later on, but I don't remember if that's true or not. Oh, that was close. Oh, he's dead. A new feature to this. It's a good idea. However, I'm not going to use it. I don't know. Should I use it or shouldn't I? Oh, screw it. Just use it. Inferno mode.
Your armor and wrench attack has
You're
been
awesome is what it means.
For a limited time.
Yeah, for a limited time you can do this and kill everyone pretty much. I would rather use my weapon, however, though. It depends. Now that you know what this does, it depends on what you want out of it. Because I'd rather upgrade my weapon on really low on health.
Jump, then press
I might actually die, which is quite embarrassing. That would actually suck. Oh well, look. Ratchet. I'm fine, don't worry. Right, I'll be seeing you in the next part.